Attention please, 5 seconds. The prosecution and the complainant will also, of course, be given an opportunity to examine their own witnesses and to cross-examine the witnesses, who have been got examined on behalf of the accused, and for that purpose notices of the proceedings before the J board shall be served on the complainant stop, as it is possible that in some cases the prisoners mentioned in the state's list may indeed be below 18 years in age on the date of offence, but as the basis for arrival at the conclusion in the state's list were usually some preliminary medical examinations and no detailed steps for ascertaining ages had been taken after hearing both parties, and it cannot be ruled out that in certain cases extraneous measures may have been used for reducing the ages, we think that such an exercise as detailed above, wherein the ages are ascertained after hearing both parties, was needed. Stop. The said exercise is to be completed within a period of 2 months, and the reports submitted to this court on its next listing. Stop. The district judges or district legal services authorities shall take strict measures in future for ensuring that prisoners below 18 years of age on the date of offence are not lodged in adults' prisons in violation of the Juvenile Justice Act and rules. Stop. Para. So far as District Allahabad is concerned, we direct the District Judge, Allahabad, to permit Rohan Gupta, advocate, to visit and interview the concerned prisoners for the purpose of ascertaining their ages and for submitting the report to the court on the next date of listing. Stop. It was further submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that so far as the prisoner Raju is concerned, whose age was determined to be below 18 years, he was earlier lodged in Faizabad jail and was subsequently sent to the special home. Stop. As he was convicted as far back as in the year 2001 in a case under section 302 IPC. Stop. The respondents should inform this court about the total period spent in jail by this prisoner, and in case it exceeds 3 years, the basis for his being presently detained in the special home. Stop. Thus, wide the order referred the above passed in a public interest litigation being criminal, the Allahabad High Court directed the Juvenile Justice Boards to hold an inquiry for determination of the age of prisoners. The medical board subjected to writ applicant herein to the x-rays of the skull, etc. Upon medical examination of the writ applicant herein, the medical board gave its report certifying that the date of the commission of the alleged offence, the writ applicant could have been around 15 years of age as on the date of the medical examination, the convict was around 56 years of age. Stop. It appears that sometime later the writ applicant was in a position to obtain a document in the form of family register issued under the UP Panchayat Raj rules, 1970. Stop.